Could AI be crypto's greatest ally? Hi, wonderful. Good to see you today in this video. We are looking at how to make easiest money from AI as AI takes over the world. How to make easiest money from AI as AI takes over the world. Let's go through this quickly. Now, the question is not, will AI take over the world? Is it true that AI is going to take over the world? The fact as we speak now is that AI is dominating every aspect of the world, and it is happening. Nothing else is going to change that. So what we are dealing with today is that how are you going to make easiest money from AI as AI takes over the world? I have three important information to share with you, and after that I'll tell you what you can do. Let's look at the first information. It says that could AI be crypto's greatest ally? Just look at it on your screen. I'm not going to read all of them, but I just want to give you a summary of it. Could AI be crypto's greatest ally? And it says something like, two of the biggest concurrent trends in tech are seeing their paths increasingly intertwined. Two of the most transformative forces in technology are beginning to converge as artificial intelligence, that is AI, and blockchain find increasingly compelling use cases of integration. I just want to leave it there. You can read further when you watch this video again and again. But the key thing here is that two biggest concurrent trends in this 21st century, they are crossing paths. They are increasingly finding reasons to integrate. So the question is, could these two become the greatest ally when it comes to technology or the trend of the world's economy? Now look at this. Do you understand what we mean by alliance? That's what comes in mind. Do you understand what it means by alliance? If yes, first of all, could you imagine a world where, say, superpower like United States of America will leave NATO, and then Russia and China will abandon the BRICS, and the three will form an alliance, military and economic alliance, against the rest of the world? Can you see how powerful that might be? So if you think about AI and crypto becoming alliance, think about something of that sort. These are concurrent greatest trend in technology that is happening in our era. So what will happen? Do you think such will happen? That alliance is ever going to happen? If you ask me, my answer will be yes. If only the destruction of this world tarries, if the world does not come to an end and things continue, so within the next 5-10 years, this is going to be a reality. And the question here is, could we imagine yourself being a part of the one thing that is going to change the entire world? Can you imagine yourself being a shareholder of this greatest ally, something that will solely, or let's say both corporately, will shoulder the entire shift of the world's economy? Think about that. Now let's look at the second thing. The second thing has to do with another information that affirms area of integration between AI and blockchain. So we say that if you see the diagram, there is a solution that blockchain is providing to AI. So let me just give you just two lines. It said that perhaps even more significantly, blockchain technology is emerging as a potential solution to AI's black box problem. Once you understand black box, you understand what we mean by it. So the security aspect of it. He said that the use of opaque or black box data sets in AI system poses considerable risk when AI automation robot comes in play. If security is not intensified to the highest pedigree, then there will be greater risk, fraud, people hacking the system and all of that. So they will need a form of security that is greater, higher than usual. And that is where blockchain comes in, especially Ethereum, Solana, and other types of cryptocurrencies provide those security. So that's the key thing that we want to talk about. So when it comes to the issue of transparency, fairness, and security, AI is going to need blockchain to help it in doing that. So that's just a brief significance of how blockchain or cryptocurrencies are likely going to contribute to AI as AI emerges to take over the world. Now, let me share with you the last information so that I can talk to you about what you should do since this is happening and is going to happen and is going to manifest in the fullness. Okay, so let's listen to this video from Elon Musk.
I think it's actually going to be universal high income. It unlocks an immense amount of economic potential because when you think of like what is the output of an economy, it is productivity per capita times population or capita. Once you have humanoid robots, the actual economic output potential is tremendous. It's really unlimited. Potentially we could have an economy 10 times the size of the current global economy.
I hope you heard Elon Musk. I just wanted him to speak so that you could hear him clearly. So basically what he's talking about is that AI carries the ability to unlock magnificent economic potential. That's the key thing that he said. So that's the summary of everything he said. So he's talking about AI bringing about economic potential that is tremendous. So he's looking at it that when we are talking about economic output, basically we are looking at productivity. So we are looking at how much or how more a company can produce. When that happens, that is when we can see economic output increasing. So he does the calculation there for us. So the key thing is, can you imagine being part of the one thing that would turn the world's economy around? As it stands now, there are some people who don't know what is happening to the world's economy. The world's economy is in the greatest shambles of all time. It is collapsing. Americans' debt is at the highest of all time. And that is not only America. Because of the Russia-Ukraine war, many big economies in Europe are suffering. Same thing applies to even the Asian countries, or let's say Russia itself, or Russia herself. So it's happening. Many of the world's biggest economy, either they are entering into recession or they are fighting against recession. They are not making any significant progress. They are just fighting against the entry of recession. So the key thing is that if there is one thing that is going to turn all things around, could you imagine yourself being part of that one thing that will turn the entire world's economy to a positive direction? And Elon Musk says something that when many people think about AI, they think that AI is going to bring about universal low income. That's many people are going to lose their job, and that's not the ultimate goal, or that is not the practicality of AI. In the long run, AI is meant to bring about universal high income. This is because productivity is going to increase and companies are going to make more money, and there are going to be more money in the system. So people will be able to navigate around. But before we get there, because of the purpose of this video, I don't want to delve deeper into that area. But the case is that can you imagine yourself being part of the one thing that is going to shoulder the turnaround of the entire world's economy? So that's the key thing. Now, the point is, what should I do? At this point, the question that everyone will ask himself or herself is that, what should I do? Please, before I tell you what you should do, kindly take a second to click on the subscribe button. If you haven't done that, subscribe to our channel, help us grow this channel, because it is important for us to grow this channel and reach a larger audience. Thank you for doing that. All right, so let me tell you, there are three things that you can do, or three things you should or you must do since this reality is happening. The first thing is to invest. I've been talking about investment, and I'm still going to continue to talk about investment. But considering AI and blockchain, that is cryptocurrencies, forming alliance and going to turn things around. You cannot compromise, or you cannot decide to shy away from investing. So deal with your own risk tolerance levels and consider investing. What should you invest? Three things you should invest. First, invest in companies that incorporate AI, especially the big companies that incorporate AI. Apple, Meta, there are many news. I can't go into it. Meta making a deal with Oracle, and because of that, Oracle stock is surging, and all of the Oracle is AI. So Meta, that is Facebook, that is Alphabet, and all of that. There are many. Amazon, there are many. I cannot mention all of them. The big companies that are incorporating AI, you need to invest in them, because if AI changes the world, these companies are going to make more money. How do you make money? By investing in companies. Are the companies market cap increases, your stock or your share will also appreciate. That is it. So this is an easy money. You do nothing. You just invest. You sit there, and AI will do the magic for the company you've invested, and you make money. So the second place to invest is to invest specifically in AI companies. What AI companies do you know? We have Intel, we have AMD, we have Nvidia, which is most likely the topmost now. We have Palantir. We have a lot of AI, just as I mentioned Oracle as well, Adobe and the rest. I'm not recommending any for you. This is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, or venture into any of these. These are information. Do your due diligence. But these are things you can do. Invest in big companies that incorporate AI. Invest in AI company themselves. That is very important. The last thing to do is to invest in crypto. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Why? Because cryptocurrencies are going to form alliance with AI. Therefore, as AI makes the money, so will be blockchain. Therefore, you need to do this. So these are my recommendation for you. So do these three things when it comes to investing. The second thing to do is that if you have a business, or if you intend going into a business in this 2025, please, and a big please, think of incorporating AI and automation in your business. Any business you want to do, think about in what ways can I make use of AI? Because if you don't use AI, if you don't think of making use of AI or incorporating AI in your business, your other competitors will kick you off the market. You go bankrupt, and in fact, you lose everything. So please consider doing that. The third thing you should do, it goes to two group of people. If you are a student, that's to say that if as the time of listening to this video, you are still studying, whatever you are studying, consider delving into AI related field. Study a skill that is related to AI. So think of going into IT, think of going to AI software, AI hardware, and a whole lot of stuff. If you are still studying, if you are doing master's, PhD, whatever, doing any research, consider researching around AI, something related to AI, so that the skill that you carry, or the certificate that you carry at the end of the day, will be a high salary earning skill. So please think of that. And if you are an employee and you don't consider yourself quitting your job anytime soon, think of any certification, any upgrade in AI related skills on your particular field of work, so that when you upgrade yourself like that, and tomorrow when AI takes over, the skill that you have acquired, the new certificate that you have acquired on your field were related to AI, it is going to make you a hot cake. It's going to put you high above all your colleagues, and that will give you or that will put you in a position to make more money. Please kindly take this advice, kindly take action, and don't neglect them, so that in the next 5, 10 years you remember this video and you decide not to forgive yourself. All right, thank you for watching this video up to this. And if you have jumped any part of the video and you haven't subscribed, this is a call to you. Kindly do your best maximum to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that you get alert for all our upcoming videos. Kindly like, share your comments, and share this video with other people too. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.